I'm Lori Swanson, one of the owners and founders of Guardian Roofing and Gutters, and I'm here with my husband Matt, also owner and founder of Guardian. And today I'm excited to be in front of Karen Corrigan's house. Karen is our 2023 Halo recipient for Guardian Roofing, and our awesome team just installed a brand new Owens Corning roof system on Karen's house.
The Halo project is something that's near and dear to our heart. Actually, when Guardian first started, our first year back in 2006, we were lucky enough to meet some of the members of Rebuilding Together South Sound. And at that time, we started helping and giving back to the community, and we've been doing it ever since. 5 years ago, we decided that we wanted to do a little bit more, and in order to do that, we need to take on the entire project ourselves. And that's when the Halo project was born. So we're pretty excited today because this is a 5-year anniversary. This is the fifth Halo project.
So exciting.
And as you can see, the house just looks beautiful.
Well, we are so thankful for our team, the community, all our partners, Rebuilding Together of South Sound, and everyone who helped us make this project a success for Karen.